Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 here. All right, I'm in the CBD. All right, I'm in the CBD. Getting ready to show y'all the collapsed Hard Rock Hotel. You know, they're still demolishing it though. But let's take a look. All right, we almost there. Okay, they continue on demolishing the building. I thought they was going to implode it, but technically they're not going to implode it. Okay. All right. So as I bring y'all here, as y'all watching the demolition, you know. So just like what happened in October 2019 with the partly, I guess right there must be the elevator shaft. Y'all see that part? Right there. I'm talking about right there. That must be the elevator shaft. Huh. All right. Nothing but workers, you know. So here's what y'all see. They working on it. They're doing the demolition, but no, they wasn't going to implode it at all. Okay. So as y'all can see over there, I bet this whole thing gonna be gone by either the end of this month or it's gonna be at the beginning of March or the middle of March or the end of March. Seems like it's almost gone, you know. So as y'all watching this with me and stuff like that, I'm supposed to be waiting on the St. Claude, you know. So this is downtown New Orleans, y'all. Look around. Here's the Lowe's Theater, I guess that's what it's called. Okay. All right, Singer Theater. Singer Theater. Popeyes, you used to be part of it. Okay. Look right here, what they doing. Okay. This was a temporary tourist attraction. Okay. They had all this blocked off at first, you know. Okay. If y'all watch one of my previous videos, y'all will see, you know. All right. See. So the way I think about it, y'all, it's it's a living. But you know, Woolworth you used to be right here. But they semi-demolished the side, and then try to build a hotel in it, you know. So look right here, y'all. Look right here. Y'all see that? So as you viewers watching and everything, you know. So that was a temporary, like I said earlier, a temporary tourist attraction. Okay. So when y'all probably, how y'all doing? Yeah, I'm just doing the show and the story. That's all. Oh, I'm sorry. Just no, you don't have to apologize. You know, I'll just let y'all know what I'm doing. You know, I do shows on YouTube. You know, all right. Y'all enjoy your trip. All right. So anyway, I shouldn't have did that, but right now, as y'all watching what's going on though, you know. So no telling how long it's gonna take for them to demolish all this, you know. So probably in about a couple of weeks or so like that, all this will be gone. You know, it'll definitely be gone. You know, I guess right there. Y'all look at that. I guess that was the 4th, 5th floor, 6th floor. So I was just letting people know well what I'm doing. That's all. Okay. So over here. Okay. So so anyway, I don't know if I'm supposed to do this or what. Well, I'm just doing this for ratings, that's all, okay? Oh, look at all that floor, that ceiling, concrete, all that, you know? If y'all watch the collapse on WWL YouTube page or something like that, y'all will probably see how all that happened, you know? Yeah, but a lot of people caught the collapse on camera. I didn't, you know. And then I met Aubrey Killian of WDSU in person for the first time. He asked me did I saw the collapse, you know. He probably would have put me on camera, you know. But I would have refused, you know. So by that being said and done and stuff like that, I always say, being said and done. I don't know why I say that. I usually say that at the end of the video, you know. So yeah, I gotta let people know that I'm not talking to myself. At least they see me holding my phone, or should I say camera phone, but this is Facebook Live right now, eventually on YouTube, you know? Okay? So all this gonna be cleared soon, okay? All right? A temporary tourist attraction, you know? But they wasn't gonna keep it like this forever, you know? It definitely not gonna keep it like this forever, okay? All right, so while I've been supposed to be out here doing this story, you know, doing the story, doing the show, doing whatever y'all think I'm doing, you know. So while I'm filming the demolition and stuff like that, and we watching the demolition, how y'all doing? I'm just doing the show. All right, I'll just letting the people know what I'm doing, you know. So anyway, if they watch my show, then they'll know what I'm doing, you know. But I do have some people that watches my show, you know. So yeah, some people watches the Domino 7 show, you know. Those are the people I was just talking to, you know. So just letting them know what I'm doing, you know. Watching the demolition of the, or should I make that demolition collapse Hard Rock Hotel? That's what it's gonna probably be the name of the video, okay? So, I mean, a lot of even the birds was complaining. now that's funny for me to say something like that, you know. Yep. Everybody was complaining, even the cats. You know. I don't know why I said that. I bet somebody gonna comment. Oh, nice car. Yep. I bet somebody gonna comment on this video and say even the cats and the dogs is complaining. I have yet to see that in the comments. You know, I know I will. You know. So as y'all watch me, as y'all watching this demolition with me, you know, as people walking behind me wondering what I'm doing the show, you know, doing the story and stuff like that, you know. So when it happened, I was at my house. Excuse me. All right. You know, I could have been on my balcony and saw the collapse, because I could see this building from my house, you know. Yeah, I could have saw it from my house. My best friend could see the collapse site, you know. I don't even think she gonna watch this unless she come to my house and watch it, you know. Maybe she will, maybe she won't. You never know. Okay. Before you know it, all this will be cleared up, you know. And then the street cars will go back to normal, and all of that. The buses not gonna meet by Duncan Plaza anymore after all that, you know. So you never know, okay? Everything will be right back to normal, and COVID-19 season will be over. The pandemic will be over soon, you know. Let's get on our hands and knees and pray that all that'll be over, you know. Okay, COVID go away, COVID-19 go away, coronavirus go away, you know. I haven't took the vaccine because I'm afraid, you know. All right. Maintain social distancing, people. All right. Yep. I haven't seen the Audi yet. All I've seen is a new flyer, a Mitsubishi, all that, you know. Yep. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we'll do, you know, whatever the heck I'm trying to say, you know, as I'm recording, live streaming as I'm looking around, making sure there's no thieves or whatever, you know. Yeah, my mama always told me, be careful of my surroundings, you know, and I'm trying my best, you know. You can't trust everybody, you know. You can never trust people, you know. Be careful who you trust these days, you know, because they'll jack you, they'll misuse you, whatever, you know. Can't mess with everybody, you know. So on that note, though, well, because I remember I was on the train and so somebody thought I was talking to myself, but no, I'm not talking to myself. Talking to you viewers that's probably watching me right now, you know. Probably gonna watch me with the previous recording. Right there's probably a floor or a wall. You never know. We don't know. Okay. How y'all doing? Oh yeah, I'm doing the show. Huh? Yeah. So pretty soon it's gonna be on YouTube. Yep. I hope y'all watch the show. All right. So anyway, letting people know as far as that, I know my people gonna be watching this though. I don't know who else gonna watch this. Who knows who well, because one person said they don't want their name mentioned on my show. You know, I ain't gonna do that again. You know, even though she appeared on my show before. You know, all right. So hey, we got it big. So I don't know how many ratings I'm gonna get with this video. I know some people on Facebook Live gonna watch this, but was some of you people on YouTube gonna watch this? Who knows? You know. All right, I'm about to go wait on the bus. All right, I guess y'all done watched enough. Okay, I'm about to go wait on this bus, get us some grub, chicken and stuff like that, and pizza pie, pizza pie. So before you know it, we not gonna be wearing this mask anymore one of these days. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna say. All right, goodbye.